Yo, what up everyone? This is Brian Bracamontes, also known as Teleco760. Subscribe to or follow my YouTube channel, Twitch channel, and Instagram.
Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing video is going to be on the Best Choice Products, BCP's black leather, Futon, fox leather, some crap. I'll put it in the link, the exact link to the Amazon package. It's a long name, but it's a Best Choice product. It's a Futon, and it's like the black leather, black fox leather, F-A-U-X. I don't know how to pronounce it. Leather. It's around between 200 to 210. It goes up and down in price on Amazon. I received it not too long ago. FedEx delivered it. I ordered it on Amazon, and just really quick, I'm not really that upset about the box being so messed up, but it is really messed up. As you can see, look at this. And I'm about to turn it around. Anyone would be disgruntled, but as long as the package itself has everything in it and nothing's damaged inside, I don't have a problem. But I guess the guy, the FedEx person who delivered it, doesn't hit the gym and didn't ask for help to take it out of the truck. So yeah, it's all damaged and stuff. This is how I got it. But hopefully everything inside, everything's in it, and none of it is actually damaged. I don't really care about the cardboard box, but come on, presentation, Best Choice Products, and Amazon, this is what happens. You guys gotta make sure that they deliver it properly. Anyways, let's get to this unboxing. Let me find my knife. Although I could just tear it apart because it's already torn apart, but alright. Look at this. I try clearing out my room as much as I can for this unboxing since it's a large package. So there we go. Alright. Need to set this down. There we go. So that's the packaging. Let me put this knife away. Alright, so kind of goes your instruction manual, bunch of paperwork with this is stuff that you're supposed to have. Let's see, there's another paper that flew over here. Hardware and parts are located in compartment underneath the sofa. Make sure to remove all items before assembly. So there's that. Instruction manual, this I'm gonna need, and this I'm gonna need. It's the little kind of the instructions on it of how to assemble it, and also like how many screws and stuff you should have. Put that off to the side. Now I can't even get around. There we go. Alright. Move this over here. You can see poison fell down right there, that little packaging thing. Like bag of I forgot what they're called. These bags. Make sure you guys don't eat it. Leave it lying around for your kids or pets. But that's it, unpackaging. Doesn't look damaged as far as I know. Pardon me, take out my knife again. Always cut away from me. Alright? If you're gonna cut like this towards you, make sure it's off to the side. Sweet. Let me use this plastic to set it down. I think, is it all put together? Yes, it is. Oh, that is so convenient. It ain't like assembling shelves and stuff. I think it's just assembled, put on the legs, on the futon, mattresses and stuff. So this futon has 3 modes. That's like bed mode, couch mode, and like kind of lean back a little bit at a certain angle, but still in couch mode, so you can like lay back. So they're kind of like the, whoa. Now I don't know where the legs are. Oh, it said it was in the back of the couch. I see a zipper over here. Okay, so this is where the part you sit on, and that's the part that you like put your back on. These futons also come with cup holders. It looks like the cup holders coming out on this one, but yep, all you gotta do is push it in. Alright, so this one comes with cup holders. I want it theater-like seating, so I'm liking it so far. It does look like it's gonna last. I'm gonna take care of it as much as I can to make it last. Oh my god, what was this? So, my chancla got caught on it. It's a little awkward to pick up. Okay. Alright, so now hopefully you guys can see on the back over here there's like the zipper stuff. I guess all the stuff is back here. There's like these metal inserts. That's where you're gonna put the legs. And then screw it in and that's it. It's already pretty much installed. It's just the legs that you have to put on. Put them on and then place the couch or the futon wherever you want. And you're good to go. Alright. Cup holder fell out. Cup holder fell out again. So you guys gotta, you're able to insert it and take it out, I guess, so you can clean it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I need something to hold this couch up. Here's the zipper. With the instruction manual, or whatever said all the stuff is. Here's like the little pillows that go on the seat. Arm pillows, armrests. Here's one. Here's 2. Whoa. Whatever. Be careful when you're doing this stuff. Okay. Here's a box full of stuff. Trust knife. Alright, here's the tools. There's something else, but it's like a little compartment where you can put light stuff. This is like meshy, so I wouldn't put heavy stuff in it and then flip the couch over because we'll just stretch it out and rip it. Alright, don't need my knife anymore. I might actually, but I'll just do this by hand. My god. Maybe not. Alright, here's the legs. They're like chrome. Chrome legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let me check this. Alright. And then screws, comes with an Allen key and the washers. That's pretty much it to screw these in. Alright, they're chrome. Look at that. They look almost like car parts. Chrome. Chrome. And chrome. But these is actually, I believe these go here. I'm not even reading the manual, I'm just doing it like this. You can kind of tell too, because these are the only legs with the little, I don't know what you call it, the little nipples sticking out. And these are the only screw holes that you have. So all you do is twist it in, nice and tight, not too tight. Grab the other one, see the one with the, like the nipples sticking out. This one is with the flat part. And as you can see, this is like a flat rectangular plate. So obviously that's gonna go into it. Although I'm gonna look at that manual to see whether I should put it like this or flip it around and put it in like that. Inboard or outboard. Other than that, it's pretty much all set up, you guys. It's pretty easy to install. Now, later on I'll do a review. Like a 6-month review, 1-year review, just to see how it holds up. But other than that, it looks pretty easy to install. this is gonna be the back part. This is gonna be the front part. Make sure you zip this back up. That's that's the front part. So I'm gonna put it in this one, like that, outboard. And on the other side, put it in like this. All right, outboard. So the angle is going out. A woman. It's gonna take a while, guys. But besides that, just screw in the holes. Screw it into the 4 holes, 4 screws, 4 washers, and I'm actually gonna have to take these off again because I forgot the washers. Alright, so make sure you guys put in the washers. Don't mess it up like me, or else you have to unscrew things and put it back together. Lay it flat in bed mode so you don't have to worry about holding the leg. Let me take this off and do it right. Really? I tripped and fell, and then the mesh, I put my hand into the mesh and it ripped. See, that's what I mean. Whatever. So put in the washer. Matter of fact, screw it in by hand as much as you can, just so that it folds down the freaking leg for you. Alright, you guys got the gist of it. I'm just gonna skip ahead on the video. Alright, so as you can see, I have assembled it and I placed it. I moved the carpet, I fixed everything. Now, regarding to this, I thought I might have broken the back support, but I guess I'll show you guys in a little bit. It's pretty stable. If you guys are worried about breaking the mechanisms, I suggest leaning it against the wall, just in case, and then whenever you're gonna put it in like bed mode, and then just move it forward a little bit. Other than that, it does work. But for the third angle, like there's the full-on kind of leaning back. You kind of have to go to the back and then make sure it's in the right slot. And also, before sitting down, make sure that you push back on both sides. If it's too wiggly on one side, that means you got to pull that side forward, like away from the back, until it locks in place. So that when you hit it, there's some resistance, and then you're good to go. Other than that, it can be like, I don't know how the mechanism is, but it needs to catch on the little gear. I'll show you guys in a little bit. So when you are trying to put it in bed mode, you have to lean it forward, and then you could drop it. I wouldn't suggest dropping it. Don't let it just slam down. There. Set it down, bed mode. You got the pillows. It's all Velcro. All this center mesh. There's Velcro right here, so you guys can place it however you guys want. I'm gonna put like this side towards the edge. Probably gotta switch sides because the zipper kind of like sticks out, but just put it however you like. And then when you're putting it back into couch mode, then you have to lift it up. And then you could hear the little mechanisms like not grinding, but like hitting the little locks. It's like a hook. And in order to for it to catch on it, then you have to kind of like move it quickly so that the little swinging thing catches on it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's loose, so it doesn't like go up and then catch on. It's loose, so kind of dangles. I'm not sure why, but that's how it works. If you do it slowly, it's not gonna work. You see how it's not working? You kind of have to like pull it up quickly and then kind of release it. There you go. Sometimes you're gonna have to do that. Now, this side seems to be good. You need to check the other side. All right, it seems like it caught on it. Now, see, it's difficult to tell whether this is the upright position and the other angled one. I'm not sure how you're gonna get to it besides trying to risk putting your fingers in between. I'm gonna have to figure out how the mechanism works in order to put it in the third position. Okay, this thing, I'm pushing on the mechanism. It seems like you could push it in. And then it comes out on its own. It's weird. I can't tell how it works. Alright, there we go. I got this side into like the middle position. Now I gotta work on this side. I suggest you guys be careful because you guys can pinch and hurt your fingers. So do it as slow as possible. Let's see, where's the mechanism? Okay. Alright, so that's the third one. So it's kind of upright, it's kind of leaned back, and for this position, when you're sitting down, yep. And then if it's too close to the wall, then you'll hit the wall. But it's a nice position, lean back, and it's always good to have different sitting positions so you don't hurt your back, or just so that you're not stationary. But I will have to say I'm 69 inches tall, which is 5'9.5", 5'9", 5'9.5", basically 5'10". It's kind of short for me, like height-wise. Obviously, it's really easy to put your legs down on the floor. I mean, it could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing. When it's in bed mode, you're gonna kind of, if you're tall, you're kind of gonna have to put your hand down so you can lay down. This seems like it's better for shorter people, but it's doable. Other than that, you guys could get like a footrest or whatever. Pretty sure they make footrests and stuff. So that could be like a next project. So I could put my feet like that, lean back, chill. Let me put it back in couch mode. It's best to try to reach towards the middle and raise it up. Alright, it caught on. It caught. Okay, so there's a cup holder right there. 2 cups. So this is basically like a 3-seater, but with the cup holder down, it's a 2-seater. And again, it's nice and it's thin, so it's pretty low, and it's too close. It is more for like shorter people, kind of kid size. But I'm planning to get another one. If I really enjoy this one, I'm gonna get another one, and it's gonna be all the way back, 2 couches or futons, whatever. 2 of these futons back here, stretching all the way back. My plan is to, if I want to put it both in bed mode, connect them together. Let's see, long ways like this, so that it's like a big, either queen or king size. Just put them together and make it a big bed. One of these, according to what it says in the descriptions, 500-pound weight limit. So for one of these, for 2 of them is 1,000. So you put them together, you could roll around all over that bed. You should be good. Other than that, you guys could also have it long ways, put it in bed mode, just have it long bed, long and not wide. But yeah, that's my plans. As you can see, this carpet is not new. I ordered carpet on Amazon, but it was taking too long to even ship, so I canceled it. I'm gonna order a bunch of white carpet and then put it all over this cement floor. Anyways, that's it for my video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this. I will be doing, again, a review on this, probably like 6 months or a whole year. And stay tuned for that video, see how long this thing lasts. Oh, and I'm about 200 pounds, so yep, 500-pound weight limit. Let's test it out. When I was assembling the legs in the front, these, and notice how they're outboard like this, at this angle. Make sure you screw it in, like, if you screw the bottom portion, your bottom left, my bottom right, do the opposite diagonally, okay? Make sure you screw it in nice so that the plate is flat. This leg over here was kind of warped. It straightened out as I screwed it in, but this one was more flat, so that's a manufacturing problem. And I noticed that the welding is not really welded correctly, so we'll see how the welding holds up and how this whole project holds out. Let's see how long it lasts. Anyways, give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe, and until next time, you guys.